Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We invite you to share your opinions in the comment section below. Do not hesitate to drop any questions or comments you might have. Today I'm here to make your journey into the world of AI a breeze. I will guide you step by step on how to run stable diffusion on any computer, be it Mac or PC, irrespective of the graphics card, all through the cloud. And the best part, it's going to be really easy. So stick around. Let's kick things off by setting up Run Diffusion, a platform that even allows you to add custom models from Hugging Face and transfer your own model from Google Drive. Simply start by visiting rundiffusion.com and click on the Get Started link at the top. Click Sign Up and follow the usual registration process, including username, password, setup, and email confirmation. Add some funds to your account. You're billed by the minute based on the GPU option you choose. Prices start as low as 50 cents an hour for processing 1024 x 1024 images in 3 seconds. To add funds, click on the Add Funds button and purchase GPU time in blocks of $10. You will only be billed for the minutes you use. Scene transition. Now, before you jump into adding custom models, there's something you need to know. If you plan on uploading your custom model, hold off on adding funds for now. I'll explain why in a moment. Choose the maximum session time. This is to prevent you from being overcharged in case you forget to log out. Click Launch to initiate your session, which usually takes 2 to 4 minutes to load. Once loaded, you'll land on a page filled with a plethora of cool tools and options to customize your experience. Now let's focus on how to access and utilize Run Diffusion effectively. Note, a deeper dive into the tools available will be covered in a separate video, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Mahalo. DT. Up next is an exciting feature for those looking to upload custom models. To do this, you'll need to join the Creators Club, which not only enables you to upload custom models, but also gives you $6 in GPU time. Join the Creators Club at a subscription of $36 per month. Use the promo code mentioned in the description below to avail a 15% discount, bringing the cost down to $30.59. DT, I have a special announcement for you. I've developed a revolutionary system at 7-Minute Blog that leverages AI to craft high-quality, engaging blog posts in under 7 minutes. And guess what? You can try it for free, but only for a limited time, so make sure to check it out. DT, now back to setting up your custom storage and transferring your model in Run Diffusion. Relaunch the server and navigate to the File Browser section on the right. Use the generic username and password provided to log in and upload custom models. To transfer a model from Google Drive, use the command gdown, followed by the URL link from your Google Drive. Once the transfer is complete, you can access and move your model to the appropriate folders within the file browser. Here's a pro tip. If you notice that the previously available 59 models are missing, don't fret. You can easily add more models, and I'm about to show you just how. To add a new model from Hugging Face, use the command ujet, B, followed by the URL from the Hugging Face repository. Transfer the model to the correct folder, usually version 1, and refresh to see your newly added model. And there you have it. You are now all set up with Run Diffusion and ready to explore with any models you desire. And if you're interested in creating a custom model in your likeness, I have another video that guides you through the process step by step. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.